Hi guys, it's Skellock here with another lockpicking video for you. This is the Kryptonite which featured in my previous video. This is the 851139. I wanted to pick it again, A, because I wanted to gut it. It's easier to do that at home, and I've been dying to find out what's inside this lock. But the other reason is that I told you that this is a 6-pin lock, 5-pin lock, when actually it's 6 pins. And the reason I was getting away with thinking it was a 5-pin lock is because pin 3 is 0 set, so it didn't matter that I wasn't doing anything to it. So, to show you that I can pick a 6-pin lock, that's the lock working, all locked up. Let's go ahead and pick this for you. Okay, so again, process remains the same. Pin 6 gives us a slight turn on the core, pin 1 acts as a gatekeeper, and then it's a case of feeding for pin 5, 4 and 2. Maybe we'll need to tap 3, I'm not sure. Let's have a look. That's pin 4 being set. Oh, dropped off pin 2. That was pin 2. That's pin 5 giving us feedback now. Slightly out of order, I suspect, based on earlier. I've definitely overset something. Okay, pin 1. So it's pin 2, which seems to have dropped. Keep falling off it. Overset something. Feels like pin 4. I've dropped. See, this is more like how the Kryptonite is. It's not an easy lock to pick. That must have been pin 3, which was not responding, of course. Thought we had it then. Feels like pin 5. There we are. That's the Kryptonite picked open properly. So, what I'm going to do now is gut it for you. I don't know why I locked it back up, but we can swiftly remedy that with the key. So, there's a screw in there. The light's pretty bad, I'm afraid, but there's a screw in there which we can use to take out the core. If we can get hold of it. I did loosen it up before starting this video to make it a bit easier to do this stage. Don't need that. What am I doing? Oh. Oh, that was foolish. I do not make life easy for myself with these gutting videos. Okay, so my usual nemesis, we have to get rid of the circlip. There must be an easier way to do this. In fact, Yukov told me there's an easy way to do this, but I just can't see how you can get these things off without tears and swearing. That looks pretty good. Oh, just don't take it off screen. Circlip off. Okay, so what's the next stage? We need a follower. Whoops. Nearly went very wrong with that. Okay. Here's one I made earlier. Where are the... They will be... Okay. Sorry, I just try not to make a huge mess of this. Okay. This is going better than I anticipated, so I'm just waiting for things to go wrong. You see how that pin 3 is more or less just at the shear line, so I must have knocked it to get it to set. Anyway, so that is pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, and because my cardboard doesn't go quite that high, we're going to put this at pin 6 is pin 3, tray 3. Gosh, I don't have to talk rubbish when I'm doing this. Now let's take them out of the housing. So that's pin 1. Pin 2. I'm sorry if the focus has gone wrong. Oh. That. I will show you. I will focus and show you the pins properly in a moment. Oh, shoot. That was the terrifying sound of a pin ending up on the floor. Okay, we will go back and find that. Bear with me a second. Let's just grab that very last pin. Okay. And that was pin 6. Oh no, it wasn't. That was pin 5. This is pin 6. Pin 5. Pin 6. And pin 4 is somewhere on the floor. Oh, how frustrating is that? But don't worry, I'll use the opportunity to find the cruelest pin I've got, and I'll put it in place. Make it look like I'm a really good lockpicker. No, just kidding, found it. This is the one. Exactly the same as the others. Okay, I'm going to take you off the stand. This is what we've got. Oh. You know what? I think I might just leave locksport to people who aren't fundamentally competent. But here we You've got there on the left, just a standard pin. The key pins are all serrated. The driver pins are all spools and all exactly the same type of spool. But yeah, these driver pins have got the key pins, sorry, have got slight serrations to them. Couldn't really fit it when picking it. I guess that's the point. Okay, well there we are. That's the Kryptonite picked and gutted. Just going to lift you back up here. It is a 6-pin lock. We now know that for absolute certainty, having gutted it on camera. Thanks so much for persevering with yet another gutting video, and I'll post another one soon, hopefully. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye.